Our inbound coastal storm is going to impact us tomorrow night through Tuesday. The peak of the event is going to arrive on Monday. We're talking about some heavy rain, some strong wind, minor coastal flooding, and the potential for some beach erosion. Let's talk about our setup first. So we've had this area of low pressure develop off the southeast coast, already bringing some heavy rain across the Carolinas. It's this area that's going to merge with some energy that's making its way out of Canada and New York State, and that's going to continue to strengthen our storm. Meanwhile, there's high pressure that'll be over Canada, and that is going to set up a pressure gradient with our area of low pressure and that high continuing to funnel in and increase our northeast wind. The reason being that those wind gusts are going to be a threat for us. So we'll look at our future forecast. Today it's nice for us. It's dry, just more clouds compared to the past couple of days. We were spoiled with those bright skies. Overnight into tomorrow, still a lot of clouds. The moral of the story for tomorrow, the earlier you get out, the better, and the farther north that you are, that's where you'll have more dry time. You can see by noon that precipitation shield is across the south coast, Cape, and the islands, and it continues to lift in more as we go into the afternoon and evening. So potentially at this point, some showers across Boston, mainly south of the Mass Pike. There's a lot of drier air that this has to overcome, but it's going to start to fill in terms of the heavy rain Sunday night into Monday. So if you're out early Monday for the morning drive, this is a wind-driven rain that we're talking about, with some heavy rain indicated by the brighter colors here, and waves of heavy rain are going to continue through Monday evening. At this point, we still have the strong wind, and some showers and the breezy conditions continue Monday night and into Tuesday, but the wind won't be as heavy come Tuesday. That's the rain. Here's the wind. It's breezy tomorrow. The wind picks up with some stronger gusts Sunday night into Monday morning. This is when I think we could have the peak of some of our strongest winds, so it stays gusty throughout the day Monday, and then that breeze is going to be more what we call breezy conditions heading into Tuesday. But a look at just how strong the wind is going to get. We have a wind advisory across the Cape where gusts could be up to 50 miles per hour. Across the islands, that's where gusts could be up to 60 miles per hour. When we talk about wind gusts in these ranges, this can lead to some tree damage and potentially some power outages. Now, inland, I think we'll be talking about some gusts near 40 miles per hour, so make sure you secure or bring in any of your Halloween decorations. That's also going to help to bring down some of our leaves, and that could clog some drains when we're talking about rainfall totals anywhere from 1 to 3 inches. I've been seeing a little bit of a signal for some rainfall totals that could be near or above 4 inches across parts of southeast Mass, but this is where we could use the rain. It's just not always good to get it in a short period of time. Coastal flood watch, especially watch this for our east-facing beaches. We're coming off some higher tides as well as that push of the onshore wind, so that could lead to some pockets of shallow flooding along our shore roads as well as that beach erosion. In terms of temperatures, today we're in the mid to upper 60s, overnight upper 40s, close to 60 degrees tomorrow. And when the storm's around, temperatures are going to stay cooler in the upper 50s.